Hello friends, how are you all? So today I am going to tell you how you can apply dark mode in your iPhone 6 and iOS 12. As you can see, this is my iPhone 6 and iOS version is 12.5.7. So let's start. So to apply dark mode, you have to watch the video till the end. Applying dark mode is quite easy. So to apply dark mode, you will have to jailbreak your phone. After jailbreaking, you have to open the CD app. You can do the same thing with Zebra and Sleeve as well. After opening the app, you have to search for Noctis 12. Noctis Noctis 12. As you can see, you have to install it by clicking on Modify option. It will take a few seconds to install. Till then, subscribe the channel and like the video. After installation, your dark mode will be applied. So as you can see, the dark mode toggle has also arrived in the control center. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. See you in the next video.